guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best budget drones in 2022. I've made this list based on camera quality, flying performance, ease of use, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an ultra-affordable option to hone your flying skills or a higher-end model that can shoot quality aerial footage, we'll have the best budget drone for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. First up, we have an extremely affordable drone that can nail the basics and deliver a user-friendly flying experience. The Potensic A20W is a solid beginner-friendly drone that costs less than $50. The Potensic A20W isn't the most powerful drone on the market, but it comes with a built-in camera that can capture some basic footage, a reasonably durable design, some useful flying features, and user-friendly controls. It has a compact, all-black design that features a tough outer shell for added durability, 4 propellers along the sides, and sturdy prop guards to protect against impact and accidental injuries. Unlike most options in this price range, it comes with a built-in barometer to help keep the drone stable in the air. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the battery life of more expensive options like the Holy Stone HS510, but you get 3 included batteries that can deliver up to 21 total minutes of flight per charge. It also has an intuitive one-key takeoff to start, which makes it ideal for children or entry-level users. It comes with a user-friendly remote control that offers a built-in smartphone stand to view FPV footage from the camera in real time. The picture quality isn't the best on this list, and it lacks a gimbal, but it has a decent front-mounted Wi-Fi camera that can capture video and pictures in 720p. The flying experience is solid for the price, and you get 3 different speed settings that allow you to fly in indoor and calmer outdoor conditions, though it's primarily designed for indoor use. Even more, it's compatible with the Potensic companion app, which lets you enable the headless flight mode, customize your flight path, and more. The Potensic A20W doesn't offer the camera quality or flying capabilities of higher-end models like the DJI Mavic Mini, but it offers solid performance and enough battery life to hone your piloting skills. If you're looking for a drone that's easy to fly and can nail the basics without breaking the bank, this might be the ideal choice for you. For anyone who wants a solid, cost-effective drone that's easy to fly and offers many similar features to more expensive models, the Ryze Tello is my choice as the best budget option for the money in 2022. Ryze's Tello quadcopter drone is a great budget-friendly alternative to premium models that comes with beginner-friendly controls, customizable flight patterns and routines, and several automated flight modes. While it doesn't quite offer the battery life of the higher-end DJI Mavic Mini we'll mention shortly, it can still deliver a respectable 13 minutes of flight time per charge, which should be enough to hone your piloting skills. You get a solid 100-meter transmission range that allows you to explore the area, along with a companion app and the ability to pair a Bluetooth gaming controller at shorter ranges for increased control. In contrast to the other options on this list, it's compatible with the Scratch programming language and allows you to intuitively program customized flight patterns or behaviors. It has several beginner-friendly features to learn the basics, including an automatic takeoff and landing function, downward-facing stability sensors to keep it more secure in the air, and propeller guards for added durability and safety. The camera performance isn't the best and footage can look somewhat choppy at times, but the built-in nose-mounted camera can shoot 720p video at a reasonably smooth 30 frames per second, shoot solid 5-megapixel images that upload directly to your phone, and stabilize your recordings with electronic software. Even more, it offers 3 distinct flight modes and some surprisingly advanced features at this price point, such as VR compatibility and a unique throw-and-go mode for quicker takeoffs. It doesn't offer crystal-clear recordings like the Holy Stone HS510, but the Ryze Tello is a great all-around option with decent battery life, good flying performance, VR compatibility, and user-friendly controls. I would recommend this if you're an entry-level drone user who wants to learn the basics, or if you want a more affordable alternative that still offers useful features and a reasonably smooth flight. Some users might be looking for a solid drone that offers impressive performance for less money than other budget-friendly competitors. The Holy Stone HS510 GPS FPV is my choice as the best budget option for most people in 2022. Holy Stone has some impressive options to choose from, and the HS510 GPS FPV is a great inexpensive alternative with a solid camera that's perfect for anyone who wants to learn the basics of drone recording. Unfortunately, it has a relatively large, bulky design that measures 19.7 by 19.7 by 6.9 inches and weighs around 1.7 pounds, but the build quality is excellent and doesn't feel flimsy or fragile. It has unique LED lights underneath the blade arms that add some flair and allow you to quickly locate it in darker settings. The 2500 mAh battery can provide around 10 to 12 minutes of continuous flight, but other competitors like the Mavic Mini have a significantly longer runtime and the battery takes about 6 hours to fully charge. The transmitter is large, but it's still relatively comfortable to hold and offers essential controls, including joysticks to control the flight path, a scroll wheel that allows you to dial in your desired speed, an emergency stop function that automatically returns the drone, and more. I also like that it has an altitude hold function, so you won't need to worry about drifting during calm conditions. The camera quality isn't as good as more expensive models like the Holy Stone HS510, but it has a fixed 1080p Wi-Fi camera that can record clear, detailed footage with minimal shaking, a 120-degree field of vision, and a 90-degree adjustable angle for comprehensive coverage. The Holy Stone HS100 is a great budget drone for most people because of its solid flying performance, variable speed, intuitive controls, and impressive camera performance considering the price. If you don't want to spend as much on a higher-end model but still want an impressive drone that's built to last and easy to fly, this might be the ideal option for you. For anyone who wants a budget-friendly drone that offers the ability to record crisp 4K aerial footage, the Holy Stone HS510 is my choice as the best affordable drone for camera quality in 2022. Not everyone has thousands of dollars to spend on a premium drone that can record seamless 4K footage, and the Holy Stone HS510 is a great option that offers a dual GPS module for more accurate tracking and a stunning 4K Ultra HD camera to improve the camera quality. It has a relatively compact design that can be folded down to save space and a robust, lightweight build that weighs less than 250 grams, so it doesn't require FAA registration to fly. It doesn't have the best battery life on this list, but it can deliver up to 16 minutes of flight time per charge and comes with an additional battery to extend the flight time as needed. The controller has solid ergonomics, a built-in smartphone holder, a legible OLED screen that displays important data, and a maximum transmission range of 600 to 800 meters depending on the weather, or up to 300 meters in FPV mode. It utilizes powerful brushless motors that offer improved aerodynamics, more stable hovering, and remain relatively quiet while in use. It also has some GPS-bolstered functions, including a smart return home mode for when the battery's low and a follow me mode that uses your phone's GPS to stay close by. The two speed modes provide solid versatility in indoor or outdoor settings, although the motors aren't powerful enough to withstand windy conditions. Unlike the other options on this list, the built-in camera can record smooth 2.7K footage and detailed 4K videos with a 120-degree field of view, though you can only record 4K videos at a limited 16 frames per second. The Holy Stone HS510 doesn't offer the flight time of the Mavic Mini, but it offers enough battery life for most casual shooting sessions, powerful motors to improve its in-air stability, and an outstanding built-in camera. This is ideal if you don't need top-tier performance and would rather have a lightweight, portable drone that can record high-resolution 4K footage for a decent price. If you're looking for the inexpensive drone that offers the best overall blend of camera quality, flight time, and ease of use, the DJI Mavic Mini is my choice as the best overall budget option in 2022. The DJI Mavic Mini is a compact quadcopter that offers impressive recording quality, enough flight time for most situations, and several useful built-in security features to keep your drone safe. It has a lightweight design that can comfortably be carried around, and it only weighs around 250 grams, so you won't need to register it with the FAA. I like that it has a compact foldable design so you can easily fit into a backpack or carry in your hands. Despite its compact size, it has a robust battery that can provide up to 30 minutes of flight time per charge, which is much more than less expensive models like the Holy Stone HS100 GPS FPV we mentioned earlier. It also comes with some useful safety features, including an automatic return-to-home function, a Find My Drone function for unplanned landings, GPS-assisted flight, and more. The Fly Companion app is compatible with iOS and Android devices, and it allows you to view function tutorials or tips, switch between 3 flying speed modes, control the camera, view live footage from up to 2.5 miles away, and more. Or you can use the included remote to control the flight path. The built-in camera offers excellent performance and can record videos in a 2.7K resolution, shoot stills in a 12-megapixel resolution, and utilize a 3-axis gimbal to deliver smoother footage. Overall, the flying performance is impressive, but it lacks obstacle avoidance to prevent accidental collisions. The DJI Mavic Mini is the best overall budget drone because of its outstanding battery life, GPS-assisted flight to accurately track its coordinates, and superior all-around performance to the cheaper models on this list. If you're fine with spending a bit more compared to other budget competitors and want a high-quality, long-lasting drone that can shoot footage with impressive quality, this might be your best bet. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.